Bitmining Investment is an advanced investment platform based in Toronto, the capital city of the Canadian province of Ontario. Our company was established on the 4th of February 2014 by group of financial expert traders who indulge into forex and cryptocurrency trading. Our trading team consists of highly qualified expert traders and analysts who, by using their experience and latest software, are able to predict and optimize the movement of trading trends in the cryptocurrency market with the best accuracy. Our company has achieved and occupied a stable position in the financial market, and won the confidence of our numerous investors from all over the world. We also aim to deliver a complete and professional service aimed at meeting the highest requirements of our clients, by offering provisional investment package, which include the basic investment plan, with a minimum deposit of $50 to the maximum deposit of $999, 2 years and 7% returns on investment after 24 hours of investing. The digital investment plan with the minimum deposit of $1000 to the maximum deposit of $4999, 2 years and 15% returns on investment after 48 hours of investing. The standard investment plan with the minimum deposit of $5000 to the maximum deposit of $10,000, 2 years and 35% returns on investment after 3 days of investing. And the premium investment plan with the minimum deposit of $10,000 to the maximum deposit of $1 million, 2 years and 50% returns on investment after 5 days of investing. To get started with US today, visit our website through the URL code at www.bitmininginvestment.com. On the index page of the website, navigate your cursor and click on the Get Started button to open up the registration page. Then on the registration page, fill up all the necessary details needed for creating an account, such as your name, your username, your email address and so on, then accept the terms and conditions, and click on the Sign Up button to proceed. After the registration, login into your account through the login page, with your registered details, so as to view your account dashboard. Now your registration is successful. On the account dashboard, navigate your cursor to the left sidebar and click on the Invest button, to open up the investment page. On the investment page, you will see the list of the investment plan. Make your selection by clicking on the Invest button right beneath the box of your choice, to proceed to the payment page. On the payment page, select the quantity you wish to invest with from the drop-down list, and also input the amount, after which, you click on the Proceed button to continue. On this page, you are to copy out the wallet address in which you are to make deposit, or scan the QR code for each transaction, then click on the Procedure button to log in your payment. Once your payment is confirmed, your account will be credited immediately, and it will reflect on your account dashboard. Now to make withdrawal from your account, still navigate the cursor to the left sidebar menu, but this time, you are to click on the Withdrawal button, to open up the withdrawal page. On the withdrawal page, make selection of the quantity you wish to receive your payment, and also input the amount which you are to deposit from your available balance, input your wallet address, then click on the Withdraw button to confirm. On confirmation, your money will be deposited into your account immediately, and then be deducted from your account dashboard. We also provide our client with the opportunity of earning through referral, where a use stand to earn about 5% referral bonus on every sign UPS with this or referral link. So do well to invite your friends and family to join us in our great platform. We offer safe and secure investment, 24 hours support service, free flow of income, and instant withdrawal of funds. Join us today at Bitmining Investment to enjoy a different world of investment.